Hey Ava.
Hi Franz.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm really good. You know why?
Tell me, you bought something big.
You know I love to order stuff, but this time I'm really happy and that's my favorite piece I ever ordered. But I'm kind of worried it would break, so let's see.
Okay. Reveal the truth.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh my god. It's a TV.
Wow, yes!
It's a massive TV.
And
Look.
it didn't break. Wow.
It's protected by pulp. Wow, look at this
Ooh.
3-piece foldable
I didn't
solution.
expect this. Wow.
You have nice side protection. And look also at the bottom.
Okay.
Again, made from 3 pieces that
Perfect.
nicely fold into each other. And
Wow.
that can then be placed around.
Wait. Okay.
Let's take it out.
Ah.
So this is the pulp bottom.
Wow.
Fantastic.
I'm
then,
so happy. That's
have fun
amazing.
with
Love
the
it.
TV.
Thank you.
I'll see you next time.
Yeah, see ya.
Bye.
Bye.